नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? फाइन, हैप्पी, स्टडिंग वेल, गुड. Whatever I am teaching, just do the reading practice proper, okay? Daily one page, do the reading practice. Okay children, as we have finished our book, from today onwards we will do the revision, reading practice, okay? Writing and reading practice we will do, okay? So next year na, when you will go for third standard, you are able to read your book proper, okay? You can read your book. So from today onwards we will start from the beginning. So you open page number 9. Open page number 9. Today we will read 2-letter words, okay? 2-letter words, how to read and how to do pronunciation. So shall we start, children? Good. What is this first letter? Ch. What is this letter? Ch. And second one, dha. Dha se dhakkan. So cha and rha. Chadh. Ma ta. Mat. Cha and la. Chal. Okay. So first one letter inside you have to pronounce and you have to join and say again. So chadh. Chadh. Ma ta. Mat. Chal. Chal. Chadh. Mat. Chal. Means chadhna means riding. Like a stairs you are going na on tree, you will climb na, that is called chadhna. Mat means no. Mat means don't do. Mat means don't do. Chal. Chal means come. Chal means come. So chadh, mat, chal. Don't climb, come. We will go. Chadh, chadh, chadh. Okay? Chadh, chadh, chadh. गज गज पर पर मत मत चढ़ 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 गज पर मत चढ़. गज means elephant. Gaj means elephant. So what they are saying? Don't climb on elephant. Bus par chadh. Okay? School children are there. So they are saying don't climb on elephant. Climb on, we will go to bus. We will go to our school bus. Bus par chadh. Chal 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 means come come come. Chal chal chal. Cham cham cham. Mat kar mat kar. Okay? Chal chal chal, chum 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 means don't make a noise. When you will walk, you have seen girls are wearing golsu, our mummy is wearing golsu na. So when she will walk, some noise will come. That is called chum chum, because that noise will come chum chum. Or some coin you are having in bottle or any place you will keep and you will shake it na. Voice will come na. Chal 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 chal, chum 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 chum. In water drop will come. That is called chum chum chum. Okay? So chum 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 mat kar mat kar. Rath rath par chadh kar. Rath par chadh kar. Chal chal chal. See, chal chal. Chal chal. Again chal chal. जय जय घर घर चल चल. जय घर चल. रथ पर चढ़कर चल चल चल. जय घर चल. जय जय गज गज पर मत चढ़. जय गज पर मत चढ़. घर चल कर पढ़. घर घर चल चल कर कर पढ़ पढ़. जय घर चल कर पढ़. Okay? So they are saying जय गज पर मत चढ़. Jay is the boy name. He is saying Gaj means hathi, elephant. Don't climb on elephant. Come, we will go to house and read. Ghar means house. Pad means study. Okay? So we will go to house and we will study. Okay, we will go for next page, page number 10. Here we will read some word meaning. And when I am saying to write the word meaning, children, listen carefully. You have to write this one and this one. Center one, no need to write because that is a Hindi pronunciation. So when you are writing Hindi pronunciation, no need to write. That is for reading. So this center part, no need to write when I am saying write the word meaning. You have to write like this Hindi and last this word meaning. Center part is pronunciation, how to pronounce. If you are not able to pronounce, you see and you read this. But this is not for writing. Center one, don't write. First one and last one, you have to write when I am saying to write the word meaning. Okay, so we will read some word meaning. Ka, pa. Ka and pa. Cup. Cup means cup. Tea mug is there, no? We are drinking tea in that. That is called cup. Tub. Tub. Tub means a plastic bucket where we are washing the cloth. Okay? Or sometime people keep all small vessels in that. That is called tub. Das. Das means 10. Das means 10. Ten, 10. I taught you na 1, 2, 3 number. So 10 means 10. One. One means forest. 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 Forest means one. Yah. Yah means this. 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 This means yah. Ghar. Ghar means house. 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 House means ghar. Tan. Tan means body. 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 Body means tan. Sah. Sah means to bear. Bear. Sah means to bear. Like you are having pain but you are bearing the pain. Okay, it will be okay. Okay. You are having too much fever but you are bearing. Means sahna. Sah means to bear. Khat. Khat means letter. Khat means letter. We are writing letter to each other. Sometime early application. Okay. That is letter. Or nowadays it's become a message. Electronic letter. Okay. Message. Khat. Khat means letter. 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 Khag. Khag means bird. 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 Khag means bird. Dal. Dal means group. 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 Group means dal. Ras. Ras means juice. 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 Juice means ras. Wah means that. That. That means wah. Gaj. Gaj means elephant. 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 Har. Har means every. Every. Every means har. Rah. Rah means retain. 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 Retain means rah. Okay, children. Next we will see the picture and write the picture name. Okay, what we have to do? We have to see the picture and we have to write the picture name. Okay. First, what is this picture? Any guess? What is this picture? In English we will say chariot. In English we will say chariot. Or car festival you are saying na? Car festival is there. God they will keep on this and they will move in whole city. But in Hindi what we will say? Rath. Rath. Rath means chariot. Rath means chariot, where kings will sit and they will go for war. So, what is this picture in Hindi? Rath. Rath. What is this? To see the picture, what you can see? Yah fal. Yah fal. And who is this? Girl. This girl, what she is eating? Fruit. So fruit, what we will say? Kha. What she is doing? She is eating the fruit, na? So yah fal kha. Kha kha pe aaki matra kha. Okay. Yah fal kha means eat this fruit. Okay. All you know what is this? What is this third picture? Bus. This is a school bus. So what we have to write? See the picture and write here ba and sa. Bus. What we will write? Ba and sa. Bus. Okay. Two people is here. In fourth picture, two people, they are going somewhere. Okay. So to see the picture, what we will write? Chal. Chal means chalna. So ghar chal. Chala. Chal. Jay chal kar. What this boy is doing? Studying. What he is doing? Studying. So in Hindi study, what we will say? Padh. 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 So here it will come padh. Jay chal kar padh. See children, here your page number 12. Some more pictures are there, okay? And picture, one letter they have written, only one letter you have to write, okay? Now you have to write one missing letter. In this basket, what is that? First picture, in basket what you can see? Lot of fruits is there, okay? Lot of fruits is there. Fruits in Hindi, what we will say? Fa se fal. Fa se fal. So fa and la, fal. What is the second picture? House. What is that? House. House in Hindi, what we will say? From the beginning I am teaching you. Gha se ghar. Gha se ghar. So gha already written here. Extra letter what you have to write? Ra. So it will be gha ra. Ghar. Next, what is this? Elephant. All you know elephant? Yes. So this is ga. Ga already written there. And now only I taught you gaj. Gaj means elephant. So ja is missing. Ga, ja. Gaj. Next, what is that? Jug. All you know, this is jug, okay? We can keep milk also and we can keep water also or juice. Anything we are keeping in jug? Good. So ja is written here. Extra what we have to write? Ga. Ga se gamla. So it's become ja, ga. Jug. Next, what is this? Ha, la. Hal. Okay? Ha is written here and la. Ha se hal. Farmer will keep tie here two bulls and he will go to farm for agriculture. This is hal. In English we will say plough. Okay, P-L-A-U-G-H, plough. All you know what is this? Bus. 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 Last page we have read this. Rath. Rath. Next, tub. Tub. Okay. So it can come in your exam also. Some picture will be there. Either there is no letter, only you have to write, or maybe one letter is there and one missing letter you have to write. Okay, children? Okay, next we will go for page number 13. One side, some name is written there. Okay, things name they have written. One side, picture they have given. What you have to do? You have to match the correct word with correct picture. First already they have match. Okay. What is written there? First you have to read, then you have to see the picture and you have to match. Bus. Bus. What is this? Bus. Bus. So where is bus picture? It's here. So what you have to do? With bus, you have to match the picture. Okay. Okay, second picture, second what is written there? Rath. Rath. So in this picture we have to search where is Rath. Okay, where is Rath? It's coming down. Okay, see. Here is your Rath. This Rath is there na? So with second picture we have to match Rath. Okay. Next what is this? Ghar. Next picture what word is there? Ghar. What is here? Down the bus you can see a very good house. That is also ghar. So we have to match with that. After ghar what is written there? Gaj. Gaj means elephant. Gaj means elephant. And elephant where it is? On the first. Okay. You can see top of the water tap elephant is there. So we have to match with that. Okay. So Gaj will match with elephant. Next what is this? Nal. Next what will come? Nal. Nal means water tap. Nal means water tap. So water tap you have seen in picture. Next to bus water tap is there. It's here. So what you have to do? You have to match null with this picture. Okay children. So like this you have to match. In exam may it will come. So today we have read 2-letter words. Okay, 2-letter words how to pronounce. You also do reading practice in house. Okay, and what will be the assignment for today? I taught you word meaning and I told center part not to write. Okay, don't write the center part. And I taught you word meaning, that will be your assignment. Very neat and clean in a good handwriting. You have to write your word meaning. Okay. Thank you children. Have a good day.